I just want to pick up on the point that my colleague from New Hampshire made. As the senator from Florida, we have the highest per capita concentration of seniors. And this report from the actuary says exactly what Senator Gregg said, is that health care for seniors are going to decline because there are going to be less providers, doctors, hospitals, others, who want to give health care for seniors. So it's not health care reform if the doctor's not in. If you can't find a health care provider, how is that health care reform? And another thing that this report said from the actuary, which we've been saying on the floor of the Senate, is this isn't budget neutral. It's a gimmick. You pay taxes for the full 10 years. You only get benefits for 6 years. That's like going to someone and saying, here's your house. You want to buy it. Start paying now, but you can't move in until 2014. So it's just budget gimmickry. And at the base of all this was supposed to be a plan that cut the cost of health care insurance for the 170, 180 million Americans who have health care insurance. And then on the other side, it was supposed to provide access. Now we find for seniors that access is going to be taken away. So we're going to raise the cost of health insurance. We're going to cut Medicare. We're going to raise taxes. It doesn't sound much like health care reform. And when I go back to Florida, as I'm going to do this afternoon, just for a quick trip, the people of Florida that I talk to are very concerned about this bill. And they say, don't vote for this bad bill. Please don't hurt our health care. So this weekend we're here, but we're not voting on health care. We're not having amendments to make this bill better. We're here talking about budget issues. We're supposed to be working on the most important issue facing the American people. They can't even find our colleagues on the other side, the Democrats, to go down and talk about this bill. Republicans are there chomping at the bit to talk about this bill. You can't find a Democrat to do it, and when they do come down, half of them are criticizing this bill. So we should do what the American people would do, reasonable, common sense thing to do, which is we should start over, get it right, and take it step by step.